Hey, what's up, my friends? There are two things that I think you need to know about this continuous spray bottle. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second, but first I just want to go over and talk about what makes this different than other spray bottles. When I was looking for a very specific thing in spray bottles, this is what I came across. So what I wanted was something that was, one, continuous spray, and two, because I was spraying my seedlings to give them water, I wanted something that was very fine, something that didn't have a lot of large droplets and wouldn't push over the seedlings. I know a lot of hairstylists and botanists and people, they want this sprayer particularly because of those features. Now, it's really cool. I'm going to talk about how it does this. And what makes it different from other spray bottles. So as you can see right now, there is a pressure chamber inside the spray nozzle. So what that does is it allows it to continually, it builds up air pressure inside of this chamber. When you pump this, it builds up pressure inside of this chamber so that the pressure continues to push the water out while you're resetting your squeeze. So when you do a squeeze like this, I know I'm wearing a black shirt and this is black, so let me lean over here so that we can have some contrast. But when you're pulling this, it continues to spray when you release and get ready for your next pump, which is very unique. You've used other spray bottles that the spray stops when you stop squeezing. So that's what this thing does, which is so cool. It also has a really long straw so that it gets right down into the bottom corner of the spray bottle. And this is really nice too, the head. So it's not a screw head. Literally, it just, with one little screw, it tightens down in. It's a levered system rather than a threaded system, and it gives you a really nice seal, and it's easy to get on and off. You're not doing all of this sort of stuff. So I want to show you when I'm spraying. The other thing that pressure does, see how it's spraying after I pump? So I can literally pump and keep it continuous the whole time. It's so nice. So literally all I'm doing is I'm spraying, or I'm pumping pressure into that chamber, and then it keeps that spray continuously. Now the pressure also pushes the water through this very fine hole, and that's what makes the mist effect rather than a heavy droplet feature. So if that's the use case that you need, this is the spray bottle for you. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding what this spray bottle is, how it works, and if it's right for you in the job that you're doing. So happy spraying. Peace.